Mushrooms, as a diverse group of fungi, exhibit a wide array of physical features. These organisms typically consist of a cap, stem, and gills, though variations exist. The cap, also known as the pileus, comes in various shapes, sizes, and colors, ranging from flat and broad to convex, or even funnel-shaped. The surface of the cap can be smooth, scaly, or covered in warts. The stem, or stipe, supports the cap and can vary in length and thickness. Gills, found on the underside of the cap, play a crucial role in spore production and are typically blade-like, radiating from the stem. In some mushroom species, there are no visible gills, and instead, other structures like pores or teeth aid in spore dispersal. The appearance and combination of these physical features, along with characteristics such as color, texture, and odor, are important for accurate mushroom identification and classification. North America is home to many mushroom species, some of which can be deadly when ingested, so proper mushroom identification is of paramount importance. Today, we'll provide a detailed examination of some of the most toxic mushroom species found in North America, including the fool's funnel, Cletoscibe rivulosa, Foliotina rugosa, funeral bell, Galerina marginata, destroying angel, Amanita bisporigera, and death cap, Amanita phalloides. We'll examine each species' toxic compounds, the effects of these toxins on the human body, appearance, growth patterns, habitats, defining features, and look-alike species. This comprehensive review aims to raise awareness about the dangers posed by these toxic mushrooms and assist in their proper identification and avoidance. Number 5. Fool's funnel, Cletoscibe rivulosa. Fool's funnel is a small mushroom with, as its name suggests, a funnel-shaped cap. It typically grows in clusters on the ground in grassy areas and woodlands, often near streams. The cap is usually tan to pale brown, and the gills are decurrent, running down the stem. Fool's funnel contains the toxin muscarine, a potent parasympathomimetic compound. Muscarine primarily affects the autonomic nervous system by stimulating the muscarinic acetylcholine receptors. Symptoms of muscarine poisoning include profuse salivation, sweating, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and blurred vision. Ingesting fool's funnel can lead to severe gastrointestinal distress, excessive sweating, and cholinergic symptoms. Though fatalities are rare, severe poisoning can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances. One of the key distinguishing features of fool's funnel ingestion is its muscarine-induced symptoms, notably profuse sweating and salivation. Its funnel-shaped cap, tan color, and habitat near streams are also characteristic. Fool's funnel can be confused with edible mushrooms, such as chanterelles and funnel chanterelles. It's crucial to be cautious when foraging and to be aware of the symptoms of muscarine poisoning. Number 4. Foliotina rugosa. Foliotina rugosa, previously classified as Conocibe filaris, is a small brown mushroom with a bell-shaped cap. It is typically found growing on decaying wood, particularly in forests and woodlands. The bell-shaped cap and growth on wood are telltale characteristic of Foliotina rugosa. However, it can be challenging to distinguish from other small brown mushrooms, which makes proper identification crucial. Foliotina rugosa contains the toxin amatoxins, the same deadly compounds found in the deathcap mushroom. Amatoxins cause severe liver and kidney damage, often leading to organ failure. Ingesting Foliotina rugosa can result in delayed and severe symptoms, including abdominal pain, diarrhea, and ultimately liver and kidney failure. This mushroom's toxins are potentially lethal if ingested. Lookalike species include other small brown mushrooms, such as Mycena species, making accurate identification particularly important. Foliotina rugosa are often mistaken for species in the psilocybe genus of mushrooms, more commonly called magic mushrooms, which contain psychoactive compounds. Ingesting rugosa species misidentified as psilocybe mushrooms is one of the leading causes of rugosa poisoning. Number 3. Funeral bell, Galerina marginata. Funeral bell is a small brown mushroom with a conical or bell-shaped cap. It typically grows on decaying wood, especially in forests and wooded areas. The bell-shaped cap and growth on wood are characteristic of funeral bell. However, it can be challenging to distinguish from other small brown mushrooms, which emphasizes the need for accurate identification. Funeral bell contains the same amatoxins as the death cap, making it potentially deadly if ingested. Ingesting funeral bell can lead to severe liver and kidney damage, often resulting in organ failure and ultimately death if not treated promptly. Funeral bell is often confused with edible mushrooms, making it crucial to exercise caution and learn to differentiate it from similar species. Number 2. Destroying angel, Amanita bisporigera. Destroying angels have a white, egg-shaped cap and are typically found in hardwood forests and mixed woodlands. They often grow near trees, particularly oaks and pines. Their white color, white gills, and the sac-like vulva at the base of the stem are key identifying features. However, it can be mistaken for other Amanita species. The destroying angel contains amatoxins, making it one of the deadliest mushrooms in North America. Ingesting destroying angel mushrooms can lead to severe liver and kidney damage, with symptoms often delayed for several hours. Without prompt medical intervention, it can be fatal. Destroying angels can be mistaken for the edible paddy straw mushroom, Volvariella volvacea, underscoring the critical importance of accurate identification. Number 1. Death cap, Amanita phalloides. Death caps have a pale green to yellow-green cap, with white gills and a skirt-like annulus on the stem. They grow in a variety of habitats, including woodlands, parks, and urban areas. While the distinctive cap and annulus are key identifying characteristics of the death cap, its appearance can vary, and it is sometimes mistaken for edible mushrooms. The death cap contains amatoxins, making it one of the most lethal mushrooms. Amatoxins cause severe liver and kidney damage. Ingesting the death cap leads to delayed and severe symptoms, including abdominal pain, diarrhea, liver and kidney failure, and death if not treated promptly. The death cap can resemble other Amanita species, emphasizing the importance of precise identification and caution when foraging. Of all toxic compounds found in poisonous mushrooms, it is amatoxins that are the most lethal. Amatoxins are a group of extremely potent cyclic peptides found in some deadly mushroom species, most notably the death cap and the destroying angel. These toxins are responsible for the severe and often fatal effects of mushroom poisoning. When ingested, amatoxins target the liver and kidneys, disrupting essential cellular processes. The toxins inhibit RNA polymerase II, a crucial enzyme involved in protein synthesis, leading to the failure of vital cellular functions. The characteristic delayed onset of symptoms, which can range from gastrointestinal distress to organ failure, makes amatoxin poisoning particularly dangerous, as it allows the toxins to cause extensive damage before symptoms become apparent. Prompt medical intervention, often involving treatments like gastric lavage and liver support, is essential to improve the chances of survival when amatoxin poisoning is suspected. In North America, several mushroom species pose a significant threat to human health due to their toxic compounds. These species contain toxins that can lead to severe symptoms and even death if ingested. Proper identification, education, and awareness are essential in reducing the risk of mushroom poisoning. As a precaution, it is advisable to consult with mycology experts or field guides when foraging for wild mushrooms. Remember that even experienced foragers make mistakes, and consuming toxic mushrooms can have dire consequences. Knowing the defining features of these toxic mushrooms and being aware of their look-alike species are crucial steps in promoting mushroom safety.